Guys, so today I'll be doing a room tour on a more aesthetic vibe, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I hope you guys enjoy this video.
Whatever.
At the edge of my bed I have this really cute blanket which I bought from Primark, and I believe it was around 15 to 20 euros, and I just left it there and it looks really cute and it's just super comfortable and soft and warm, and it's just, did I already say it was cute?
It was just something I had to do, but it makes people unhappy. It's necessary.
Around my headboard I have these fairy lights which I bought from a store called Action, and they give a really cute and peaceful vibe during the day and especially during the night. Next to my bed I have my nightstand which I try to keep as clean as possible, and I have this lamp which I bought at a store in Finland but I can't remember the name of it, and this really cute cup which I got as a gift, and this Portuguese bird which I also got as a gift. And then I just have this plate with some body mist and perfume, and most of them are actually from Victoria's Secret. And then in my drawer I just have some junk. Then next to my nightstand I have this little stool thing with some stuff in it and this really cute bag. And next to that I have my makeup trolley which stores all of my makeup, and next to that is my closet, and I added these really cute LED lamps. On the other side of my bed I also have another nightstand which has my water bottle, a little basket with some junk that I actually need every day, and a notebook and my remote for my TV. On the shelf I have this candle which I made myself, a body lotion from Rituals, and a fake flower plant. And then I just have this jewelry holder which I actually used for my scrunchies and 2 rings and 2 bracelets. And then I have this random stone just lying around, and in this cute little box I have all my baby lips, which is quite a few because I always receive them as a gift. And then I just added these really cute, like, not really fairy lights but they kind of are fairy lights I think, and I just added that just to make it look a bit more cozy and just to have a few lights here and there. On the other side I have this fake lavender flower pot plant, and behind it I have my speaker which is really cool because it lights up, and in the middle I just have my TV with some candles, and below it I just have a shelf with all my body lotions and skincare basically, and then a bunch of stuff and books and my high school diploma and a book about astrology, and then just some more random stuff basically. On my desk I just have these LED fake candles and just some stuff that you actually need on your desk, and I'm not going to go in detail on this because I'm actually going to do a separate video on my desk, like a desk tour, so stay tuned for that. Then slightly behind my desk I have my sofa with a super cute half pillow which is from H&M, and then just these 2 other pillows, and I believe one of them is still from Australia, so I don't know where to get that. Next to my sofa I have this table with this candlestick infuser, I believe it's called, and this jar which you could just fill in with water or any other type of lemonade, and then you can just fill your glass up with that. And then behind it I have my self-made clock. And then behind my door I just have my robe and a couple of coats. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.